In this video, you will learn how to create a fully offline macOS bootable USB using only a Windows computer. This method works across multiple macOS versions, from macOS Tahoe all the way back to Mac OSX Leopard. No complicated tools, no unreliable hacks, just a simple, reliable or proven way to recover or reinstall macOS when your Mac is completely down. Interested? Let's dive in. As we all know, whether you are using a Mac or a Windows PC, Apple officially provides macOS installers through its support page. But here is the problem. On a Windows computer, your options are extremely limited. For example, you cannot directly download modern macOS installer like Sequoia, Sonoma, or Ventura from Apple using Windows. The only installers available to Windows users are older versions, ranging from Mac OSX Lion to Mac OS Sierra, and even those are not easy to use. When you download the installers, you do not get a ready to use macOS installer. Instead, you receive a DMG file that contains a zip file, a PKG file, and even if you manage to extract that PKG file, the installer still will not work directly on Windows. You are forced to manually locate different installer components scattered across multiple folders and reassemble them one by one. Now, while this process is possible, it is technical, time consuming, and definitely not beginner friendly. There is another method, downloading macOS directly from Apple server using Python commands. But there is a catch. This method only downloads the basic recovery image, not the full macOS installer. That means you cannot create a completely offline bootable USB using this approach. So the big question is, what if you want the full macOS installer and a bootable USB in just a few clicks using only a Windows computer? That is where iBoysoft Disk Geeker comes in. With this tool, you can directly download the full macOS installer and create a fully bootable macOS USB drive all from Windows without complex setups or risky hacks. Let me show you how. Open your web browser and search for iBoysoft Disk Geeker. Download the software from its official website. The link is in the video description. After downloading, open your downloads folder and extract the zip file. Once extracted, double-click the installer and install Disk Geeker on your PC. After installation, plug an empty USB drive into your computer. The USB size depends on the macOS version. For older macOS versions like Lion or Yosemite, 8 GB is more than enough. For newer versions such as macOS Sequoia or macOS Tahoe, you will need at least a 32 GB USB drive. There is no need to convert your USB drive partition scheme or format your USB drive to macOS extended journal. This Geeker takes care of everything for you. Just open the software. The first thing you will notice is its clean and user-friendly interface. The real beauty of this software is that it's not just for creating macOS bootable USB drives. It's a complete all-in-one disk management solution. You can clone and encrypted drives, clean junk files, analyze storage with AI, manage partitions securely, test disk speed, recover data, wipe disk, and permanently shred files from maximum privacy. Now let's get the fun part, creating the macOS bootable USB. Disk Geeker supports both Windows and macOS boot drives, but today we will be focusing on macOS. For macOS, you have two options. If you only want to download a macOS installer, simply click this button. You will be taken to the macOS download section, where you can download versions ranging from macOS Snow Leopard, Lion, Yosemite, Sierra, all the way up to the latest macOS Tahoe. To download, select the macOS version you want, hover over the Get button, and choose the file format, either DMG or ISO. Then select the location where you want to save the installer. The full installer will start downloading immediately. Now, let me show you how to download and create the macOS bootable USB drive in one step. Click on Create macOS USB installer. Select the USB drive you want to make bootable. Next, choose your preferred macOS installer and then click Create bootable disk. Disk Breaker will first download the full macOS installer. After that, it will format the USB and create a bootable macOS installer for you. All of this is done automatically without using any manual commands. And that's it. Our bootable USB drive is ready to use. Before we check the USB drive, let me show you another great feature. If you already have a macOS installer, click Select a local file. Now navigate to your installer. In my case, I already have macOS Tahoe in my downloads folder. Please note that Disk Breaker only support ISO format installers. DMG, PKG and apps files are not supported. Select the ISO file and confirm. Disk Breaker will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be erased. If there is nothing important on it, click OK. The software will now start creating the macOS bootable USB drive. After a short while, you will have a fully working offline macOS bootable USB. As you can see, it works perfectly. So next time you want to create a macOS bootable USB drive on Windows with minimum efforts and just a few clicks, give this Giger a try. Please note that, like most premium software, Disk Breaker is not completely free. Yes, you can try it for free, but to create a macOS bootable USB drive, you will need to purchase a license, and honestly, it's worth it. However, if you want a 100% free method, check out this video on the channel where I show how to create a macOS bootable USB drive from Mac OSX Lion all the way to macOS Tahoe on a Windows computer completely free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will reply as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.